Good afternoon, everybody. Chris Allen here with your weather blast for this Wednesday, May the 18th. Thanks for joining me. Another gloomy day, as you can tell, although some sun did try to come out this afternoon. We're going to find better chances of sun coming out tomorrow. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar. Blah, 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 blah. That's all I know. Sorry, Daddy Warbucks. That's all I know. 62, the current temperature in Bowling Green as of 4 p.m. 62. Now, that's not too bad. At least we did not equal the lowest cold maximum for the day, which, again, is like 56, 57 degrees. Yeah, at least we didn't set a record for that. Now, some other places did, like Lexington, Louisville. They did set the coldest, well, for the day yesterday. And today, yeah, at least we've warmed it up just a hair over yesterday. Low 50s to the east on the Kentucky Mesonet network as of 4 p.m. Because of extensive cloud cover and still some showers out that way. Mid-60s, though, to the west, as you can see out toward Paducah and land between the lakes. They've gotten a little more sun this afternoon. And still getting some sun, and that sunshine that is west of us will move east as we go through the day tomorrow. So be patient, hold out a little bit more hope. I know I've asked you to do that for the last few days, but remember, I'm just the messenger, and this messenger is already full of holes. All right, a visible satellite. This tells the story a little bit better. Close up on Kentucky, you can see how much of, good 2/3 of Kentucky covered in clouds, but the western part of the state seeing some breaks in those clouds, and that's where the sun is now shining on the Purchase area of Kentucky, western Kentucky. So we're finally hoping that, and everything appears to show that that upper low that has been bringing the low clouds and the light rain showers is finally starting to move away from our area. Let's hope so. Be done with this thing. Here's the surface map showing that upper low moving away, moving more up into the upper Ohio Valley and away from us. This morning it was right over the North Carolina-Virginia border, up around Andy's place over there at Mount Airy, North Carolina. Andy Griffith, that Andy. It's already moved all the way up toward, say, Columbus, Ohio, and Dayton, up in that area. So it's trying to make some headway now. The upper wind's trying to catch this thing and move it out. And then we're keeping an eye on that new storm that moved in the Pacific Northwest over the last day or so, now in the desert Southwest, and that is going to be a player in our weather as we get into the weekend. Thunderstorms, yes, there is a chance of that in the forecast for the weekend, but the good news is, according to the SPC Storm Prediction Center, we're not going to have to really worry about any severe weather. I've already been asked about that. Severe weather's a threat, though, west of us in the Central Plains. As you can see, this is the Day 2 outlook for tomorrow, Thursday. Kansas, Oklahoma, Central Texas, not a big area, but a more concentrated area around one of those areas of low pressure where we could see some strong to severe storms. And then the Day 3 outlook for severe weather, the risk, slight risk there from stretches and expands from Nebraska to Kansas, much of Oklahoma, and a good portion of central Texas, and even a little sliver of western Missouri. But again, that's the Friday outlook, not much happening here. And if you went beyond that, say Saturday, Sunday, Monday, the 4 to 8 day outlook, there is absolutely no risk of severe weather in the forecast as of right now. But I will say there is some model divergence, and by that I mean the computer forecast models, medium to long range, are not in a whole lot of an agreement on how things are going to pan out past, say, Day 3, 4, 5. So I'm thinking that whatever thunderstorms we get this weekend are going to be under severe limits. I don't see the kind of dynamics needed for severe weather. If we do get thunderstorms, and I think we will, I don't think they're going to be at severe limits. Some of them could be strong, like with a gusty wind or some lightning, maybe some small hail. But we're not talking tornado outbreak and not a big deal here. In fact, here is the extended outlook. 7-day stretch here. Tomorrow, finally, with a little bit more sun, 74 for a high. Now, we're keeping showers out of the forecast for tomorrow and a little bit more in the way of sunshine and a southerly flow that's really going to help our temperatures warm up. A few of the models trying to, at least along a warm front to our west, trying to pop a few showers along the warm front as it lifts north. But right now we're going to keep it dry. Shane may decide to change that tonight at 5, 6, and 10. You can tune in and watch what he says. Friday, though, we're going to keep dry at 81. Saturday, we may even take out the chance that we have there for some shower activity. I know that would be good news for the Soapbox Derby folks, putting that together for Friday afternoon and Saturday. Saturday's high at 83, and same for Sunday. Sunday looks to be the best chance for getting some showers and thunderstorms here, even into Monday, as things kind of slow down that whole system. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. We're not talking about a washout this weekend, but you will have to factor in a chance of a shower scattered around the area, along with a thunderstorm threat. But as I mentioned earlier, we're not looking at a severe weather threat out of this, although a few of the storms quite possibly could be strong. And then as we get into Tuesday, really heating it up to 87, as a lot of cities around the area in this region may get close, if not hit 90 degrees. So we're going from the ice box right into the fire pretty quickly here over the course of the next 7 days. Hey, tomorrow for Thursday, we've got something special for you. Maybe you've seen it posted on Facebook and Twitter. We're going to talk about it tomorrow on TV, and that is our one-day-only free app download for the new, what we call the Weather Radio app. Now, this is for those of you that have an iPhone. It's not available just yet for Android or BlackBerry, and I take offense to that because, well, I'm a BlackBerry user, but we're always the last to get these things. But I'm willing to wait on this. This is a great app. It's a weather radio. It's weather radio on your phone. It will put NOAA Weather Radio on your iPhone. This is a great app to have because not only will it bring you the weather radio on your phone, but it will map out, if you're in the path of a storm, it knows your GPS coordinates, and it will map out automatically and let you know if a storm or tornado is headed your direction. And it will wake your phone up and show you that you're in the path of the storm and let you hear what the Weather Service is telling you. And it's for one day only. We're going to offer it for free to download through the iTunes Store for free tomorrow. We're going to give you the link to this. It is called weatherradioday.com. Weatherradioday.com. That's the link you need to go to. And you can bookmark it now, but tomorrow, well, let's say after midnight tonight, it becomes free until 11:59 tomorrow night, Thursday night. And then after that, it's downloadable for a small price of $9.99 through the iTunes Store. So it's another great tool to have, not the only thing you need to protect yourself, but at least it's going to give you that added protection. If you have your phone with you and nothing else, it'll let you know that severe weather is headed your way. That's tomorrow only. You can download it for free to the first 100,000 people across the country that know about this. So it's first come, first served. All right, thank you for watching the Weather Blast, the Weather Blast for this afternoon on this Wednesday. Fresh podcast tomorrow morning at 4:30, live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, WBKO ABC if you're watching here in the Bowling Green, Southern Kentucky area. Weather shouts anytime, plus my blog at chrisallenchallenge.wordpress.com. Check it out when you can. Know the weather before it knows you. Thanks for watching, and God bless.